What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. We're going to go over what you do if your passenger cancels the ride in the middle of your drive. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to Play Octopus. Play Octopus is the best platform out there for drivers, hands down. They send you a tablet in the mail, and by the way, you can get your tablet for free by using our link in the description below. Once you get that tablet, it also comes with a mount. It mounts to the back of your headrest, and when customers get in, they can play games on it, check the local weather, local community events, a bunch of different stuff about your driving dashboard as well. It's really incredible, and the best part is they can make money from playing those games, and you also make money if they're on the tablet. So it's obviously a win-win situation. But even better than that, guys, I think the most underrated aspect of this is it's such a natural and cohesive way to start a conversation. So rather than asking how their day's going, you can point their attention to the tablet and then explain to them all the functions on it. So check it out, guys. Link in the description below for your free tablet. Let's dive in. So in about 5,000 lifetime rides for me, I've had riders cancel mid-ride probably about 5 times total. It's not a super common thing at all. It's very frustrating because what could be an $8 to $12 ride ends up being like a $3 cancellation, right? So it is really infuriating to run into this. I think the main way it happens is if you're not using the app for navigation. So for me, every time it happened was a day where a lot of times when I'd go out to drive, I would just forget that my phone was on silent. And so then I'm off the Uber app and then I have Google Maps up instead, and I just don't see any notification come up. I take them to their destination. They get out of the car really quickly. And then when I go to check, I realize, oh my gosh, this ride was canceled, and they're long gone. So that's generally how it happens, is when you're off the app. The main thing is to avoid it is just to always be paying attention to the Uber app. Make sure your notifications are on. It's very annoying, but honestly, having it connected through the Bluetooth is going to make sure that any type of notification comes through. I don't think that's necessary as long as you just keep an eye on things, because ideally with the Uber navigation, it'll stop navigating, or you'll literally get another ride request before you even get to the location if they do that. Phone is blowing up. So that's the main way it happens. Now, when it does happen, you basically have two options. If you notice it mid-ride, your only option is to basically, I guess there's two options. You can pull over right away at a safe place and just be like, hey, did you mean to cancel the ride? Odds are they're gonna then lie, and I almost don't recommend this because anybody who does this is probably kind of nefarious in general, and you just don't know what they will do. People are unpredictable. So what I recommend is just finishing out the ride. If it's like a 30-minute ride and they try to pull that, definitely don't then, because that's a huge fare. But if it's a shorter ride, consider your safety first, because honestly, it's like I said, people are crazy, and you'll probably trigger them by accusing them of something even though they did it. It's how nuts people are. The main thing is, the second the ride's done, you've got to contact Uber and Lyft support immediately, let them know what happened, and tell them you want a fare adjustment. They'll be able to see that the original ride was set for, this location and you only got halfway there. Or they'll be able to see that, the ride was canceled and you did drive all the way there. So in my experience, the last few times I did catch it, and I just took the passengers to the locations regardless, and Uber and Lyft always gave me the fare adjustment. Now, obviously, you're not getting tipped on those rides, but you've got to count your losses in this business. There's a lot of people that are just going to do things like that, unfortunately. So anyways, hope that helps. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure you check out Play Octopus in the description below. Get your free tablet by using our link in the description. Stay safe out there more than anything, guys, and stay tuned for more updates.